Two of my favorite new lines of CSS are text wrap balance and pretty, and I have noticed a lot of modern CSS resets are including these. So let's look at balance first. Text wrap balance. Look at this heading, because this is my H1. If I throw this on here, it's going to balance out the heading. Instead of pretty being by itself, it makes it more balanced. And this is generally supposed to be used for when you have headings and the, 2-3 lines of text type of thing, where it will balance those lines out, meaning, the spacing, like here, this line is now shorter than this line, which can look weird, but on a title with really big font sizes and short line lengths, that's completely fine. Then on things like paragraphs where we have words, let's see, there's no lines where this will currently kick in. So I'm actually going to go to the HTML really quickly, and I'm going to remove lorem from the first line of text that we have right here on this filler. And now we should probably end up, we don't still, let's take off ipsum as well. We're just starting with dollar. Madness going on here, and we can see we just have SA or S or whatever this is down here by itself. And what I want to do now is turn on my text wrap pretty. And what text wrap pretty does is prevent orphans. So you can see now I have two words here. When I say orphans, I'm pretty sure it's an orphan and not a widow in typographic terms, where we end up, it's when you have one word by itself on the last line of a paragraph, it's all on its lonesome. It just doesn't look as nice. So text wrap pretty prevents that from happening. So we'll turn that off. You can see we only have one there, and we throw the pretty on. And anytime there's paragraphs that end with only one word, it will always make sure to push the next one down, so our paragraphs look more pretty, and it prevents weird spacing, and little words sticking around at the end. And as I said, these are two things I've seen in a lot of resets these days. I'm curious if you'd include it in yours as well.